What if your everyday gear worked like elite military equipment when things go wrong? From battlefield-proven tools to survival essentials, these tactical gadgets deliver reliability, durability, and mission-ready performance anywhere.
All right, today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the SureFire Scout Light Pro. This is one of SureFire's newest.
SureFire Scout Pro Weapon Light. Let's start with something that changes the game in total darkness. The Scout Pro isn't just bright, it's blinding. A high-lumen LED throws a sharp, focused beam using a total internal reflection lens, giving you distance and wide spill at the same time. The low-profile rail mount keeps things balanced, not bulky. Hit the tail cap or pressure switch and it's instant light. Aerospace aluminum body, mil-spec toughness, about 75 minutes of runtime, built for moments where hesitation isn't an option. Viridian Weapon Technologies C-Series Light/Laser. But here's where it gets smarter. The C-Series is compact, rail-mounted, and made for everyday carry setups. Green or red laser, bright tactical light, your choice. The real kicker? Instant on tech. Draw from the holster and it activates automatically. Reholster, it shuts off. No fumbling. You can run light only, laser only, or both, and fine-tune windage and elevation. Some models recharge and even double as a power bank. Just make sure your holster supports the system. Vickers Sling by Blue Force Gear.
The front of the sling is a Vickers sling with the Vickers quick adjust pull tab. Nothing changed there. What has changed though is the design of this sling. You get this middle section of which we can make a lot of adjustments.
Now let's talk control, because a rifle is only as manageable as the sling holding it. Designed with input from Larry Vickers, this 2-point adjustable sling has serious credibility. The quick adjust pull tab is the magic. One pull L and you're tight and ready, another R and you're loose for movement. The 1.25-inch webbing hits that balance between strength and comfort. No overcomplicated parts, just rugged simplicity trusted by military units worldwide. Sometimes simple wins. HWI Gear knee pads. And this part doesn't get enough attention, your knees. Crawl over gravel once without protection and you'll understand. These knee pads use a tough STPA cap over dense foam, wrapped in durable nylon. They're water-resistant, easy to strap on or rip off with quick release tabs, and tough enough for construction crews, mechanics, and tactical operators alike. Affordable protection that saves real pain. Condor Outdoor Products, Orion Assault Pack, 50 liters. Now imagine carrying everything you need for multiple days. The Orion Assault Pack isn't casual carry, it's serious load-bearing. 50 liters of space, a modular design with a detachable assault pack for when you need to move lighter. Tie-down straps keep heavy gear locked in. Padded harness, ventilated back panel, hydration compatible. Fully loaded, it feels like business. This is built for missions, not grocery runs. SOG Escape 2.0. Here's where practicality kicks in. The Escape 2.0 runs on AUS 8 steel with a 3.4-inch blade, and it's more than a cutter. Integrated seatbelt cutter, glass breaker, assisted opening for fast deployment, partially serrated edge for tougher materials. It's budget-friendly but packed with emergency features, which is why it makes sense in a vehicle kit or first responder bag. Small tool, big difference when seconds matter. NEXTORCH Pioneer MT20 multi-tool. And then there's the gear built for real crisis moments. The Pioneer MT20 isn't your average weekend multi-tool. It's a 14-in-1 rescue system. Spring-loaded rescue shears that cut through tough materials, oxygen tank wrench, handcuff cutter, replaceable wire cutters, stainless steel construction built for abuse. Designed with EMS and law enforcement in mind, it's heavier than typical pocket tools. But that weight means capability. When pressure hits, this is the kind of tool you want in your hand. SureFire 2211, and here's something you don't expect. Light on your wrist. The 2211 throws 300 lumens from a compact wrist-mounted platform, built from impact-resistant polymer and shaped by real law enforcement feedback. It keeps both hands free. There's a battery indicator, so you're not guessing. It feels like a tactical timepiece, but it's pure illumination when you need it. Tasmanian Tiger ZP Series plate carrier. But wait, this one's about adaptability. The ZP series runs on a zipper-based modular system that lets you swap panels fast. MOLLE sections give you loadout freedom. Adjustable shoulder straps dial-in fit. There's even an integrated radio pouch, plus interchangeable side sections for mission changes. Designed for military and law enforcement professionals who can't afford gear failure. Barrel X Tactical Pen. This part surprised a lot of people. It looks like a pen, because it is, but it's machined from titanium with a bolt-action mechanism that feels solid every time you deploy it. It accepts multiple G2 refills, so it's practical. But that ceramic tip striking head? That's your emergency function. TSA compliant, low profile, dual purpose. Writing tool by day, backup solution when things get serious. Bolle Sentinel tactical sunglasses. Eye protection isn't optional, especially here. The Sentinel packs polarized ballistic lenses with ANSI Z87.1 certification, so they're rated for impact. Anti-fog and anti-scratch coatings keep vision clear. Blue light filtering reduces strain. 99.99% UV protection shields your eyes from the harsh sun, and that wraparound design locks them in place when movement gets aggressive. UF Pro Storm Chaser Jacket.
I put it down, you might see better, but you know what I mean? So it protects your forehead. So with base cap, without base cap, gives you pretty good visibility.
And just when conditions turn rough, this steps in. The Storm Chaser weighs only about 200 grams, but it's wind resistant and water repellent. Adjustable hood and cuffs seal you in. It packs down small, easy to stash in a bag. Built for field mobility, not bulky layers, just lightweight protection that moves when you move. 5.11 Tactical ATAC 2.0 Boots. And this is where the foundation matters. The ATAC 2.0 boots come with a full-grain leather toe and a durable nylon upper that can take abuse. Shock absorption softens long hours on your feet. A breathable tongue keeps airflow moving, while the side zipper gives quick on and off access. Slip and oil-resistant outsole keeps traction solid when surfaces turn unpredictable. KA-Bar BK62 Becker Knife. Now here's a blade that feels classic the second you grip it. 1095 Crovan steel, spear point profile, and a walnut handle that balances control and comfort. Comes with a leather sheath, lightweight but absolutely field ready. Savata Canis 40 pack. This one's built for serious loads. 40 liters of survival capacity are supported by an internal aluminum frame that keeps weight stable. Roll top closure seals it tight. A floating lid adds extra storage. Hydration compatible, designed to stay steady even when fully packed. Mini Striker RD compact crossbow. This one shifts gears completely. The Mini Striker RD launches bolts at up to 330 feet per second, powered through an integrated crank system. Compact limbs keep it maneuverable. The lightweight aluminum body keeps it manageable. Designed with small game hunting capability in mind, it's powerful in a tight frame. Sanjin MMR99 emergency radio. Now imagine the grid goes down. The MMR99 keeps running. Solar, hand crank, or USB charging. NOAA weather alerts keep you informed. There's an LED flashlight with SOS mode, Bluetooth streaming for updates, an IP55 rugged build, and even a power bank function to charge your phone. That's layered redundancy. Nightcore NWL-30 field light. And when darkness fully takes over, this floods the area with up to 3,000 lumens. Magnetic base or tripod mount for placement flexibility. Built-in mosquito repeller. Yes, really. Massive 18,000 mAh battery, red light mode for low visibility tasks, and power bank capability. It's more than a light, it's a field station. Condor Outdoor Products Centurion and Colossus duffel bags. And when it's time to move fast, storage matters. The Centurion and Colossus come in 30-liter and 52-liter capacities, built with a PVC-reinforced base that shrugs off rough ground. They convert into backpack carry when hands need to stay free. Expandable compartments and organized mesh interiors keep gear separated instead of piled into chaos. Vortex Optics Impact 4000 rangefinder. This one steps into precision territory. Rail-mounted and mission-focused, the Impact 4000 features an integrated ballistic solver that calculates real-time solutions. Bluetooth app connectivity syncs data fast. Environmental sensors read conditions around you. Multiple rifle profiles store setups. Waterproof and shockproof construction keeps it operational when the weather turns aggressive. Gerber Gear Impromptu Tactical Pen.
Housed in a machined body is a Write in the Rain cartridge that allows you to write upside down or in any weather condition. The pen also includes tool steel on the tip here. This allows you to break into glass very easily.
Here's a pen that doesn't pretend. Steel body with Cerakote finish for durability. A hardened glass breaker tip at the end. All-weather ink cartridge writes through tough conditions. Push-button deployment keeps it quick and simple. Premier Body Armor 360. Now this is about protection without attention. Level 3. A panels built into a compression concealment shirt wrap the full torso. The entire system weighs about 2.5 pounds. Designed to prevent printing or shifting, it stays discreet while adding a serious layer of defense. Tulster ARC holster. And here's where customization comes in. The ARC runs ambidextrously, supports light-compatible setups, and lets you adjust ride height for personal preference. A concealment wing pulls the grip closer to the body. The Flex Mod system adapts to different carry styles, keeping things secure without sacrificing access speed. North American Rescue Mini First Aid Kit. Small size, big responsibility. This compact kit includes a tourniquet and chest seals, organized for rapid pull deployment. MOLLE or belt mounting keeps it accessible. Real trauma essentials in a form that doesn't take over your loadout. Aimpoint Duty RDS Red Dot. And we close on optics that professionals trust. The Duty RDS runs a crisp 2 MOA dot with a 65 MOA ring option. Up to 30,000 hours of battery life. Night vision compatible. Motion activation preserves power. Compact footprint. Built for duty use, not range toys. Preparation isn't paranoia, it's power. The right gear doesn't just help you survive, it helps you stay in control when things fall apart. Whether you're building a serious loadout or upgrading everyday carry, these tactical gadgets bring military-grade performance straight to your doorstep. Stay ready.